Okay, so this is your final project, it is a presentation board, and we are going to create one. And this is a part of architecture that, normally we discuss this in the intro to architecture in terms of the sequence of an architectural project. We, as architects and architectural designers, we don't go straight to drawing plans like you have been this whole semester. We do a preliminary set of drawings and renderings, and we put this on a board and we discuss things with the client and make sure that they're on board with the design. If they're not on board with the design, they're paying you money. They have every right to change their mind and get what they want to pay for. You are providing a service, and this is part of architecture. So with that being said, I went ahead and created this new sheet, but I'm going to go ahead and create another one just so you can see how it was done. So new sheet, and let's just call this, I don't know, 007, and presentation board. So when we do presentation boards, they can either be landscape like this or portrait like this. Now if you're going to go further into the architecture program, I know the instructor, he tends to like it like this. So when we do display them in class, we can hang up all our students' work. And so these are the drawings that need to be on there. Definitely a wow factor, some sort of rendering. But I'll be honest, I just scavenged this off of Google. So just get something similar. All I care about in this course is that you know how to insert a picture, a rendering of some sort. And so site plan, your floor plans, and they need to go as follows. Logically, the basement is below the first floor, and the first floor is below the second floor. And this is the order, the logical order that typically actually is how we like to see them. And so when a client's looking at this and like, oh, okay, this is the basement, this is the first floor, and this is the second floor. So again, make sure the lowest floor plan is in the lowest portion of your presentation board. Now, your elevations, I made these a little big. I could have made them a little smaller, but it is what it is. So anyway, let's get to this. So let's go ahead and go here. First things first, we need to go to the page setup manager and modify. Go right here to monochrome. And we need to change this to portrait. Preview. Perfect. Exit. Hit OK. Oh wait, change this to PDF. Okay. Say preview. Exit. Perfect. Hit OK. Close. Alright. And so now we're going to go to our model views, and we're just going to drag and drop. And it's up to you to decide what goes where. And so site plan, just drag and drop. Change this to I don't know, let's just say 1/32. No, let's do 1/16. There we go. That's fine. Oh, this, you don't need this. We can delete that title block. And this right here, can explode it. So the letter X, spacebar, that's fine. Delete. We just need to know that this is a site plan. Oop. Guess that's not gonna work. If not, you can just do an M text. So delete that. M text. Site plan. And let's change it from Romans to something that looks better. Okay, instead of 1/2 inch, let's do 3/16. See what that looks like. Okay, I think I'm okay with that. Might be a little too small. Let's do 1/4. Yep, 1/4's the one. And now I'm just going to drag and drop everything. There we go. And let's try this 1/8 scale. Probably a little too big. 3/32. That's fine. I'm going to delete this. Copy this. And rename to east elevation. And then I'm just going to continue to do that. And I'll be right back. Okay, so I got all my drawings in here. So, and I labeled them all. So you got your elevations, all 4. All your floor plans. Again, remember which order, from lowest to tallest, or actually from the lowest floor on up. So basement, first floor, second floor. I don't remember if I mentioned the section plan, but that also needs to go in there. Site plan. So all these drawings need to go on a presentation board. Now I'm going to insert, go over here, insert, attach this rendering. So I'm just going to choose right here. See how big this can get. Alright, that might be a little too big, and that's okay. So what I can do is I can clip this and create clipping boundary, and well, let's escape. That's what I want to see right here. So clipping boundary, and I want to clip from here all the way to that corner. And now just move. And there we go. So now we have a presentation board. And that's it. This is your final project. Zoom, window, and we can print this out in PDF. So Control P. It's already set up. Let's see, preview. And that's what it looks like. So you have all your drawings, and it shows everything. Shows the client everything. Don't worry about this. That's because we're using a student version, so it prints on all 4 sides. But here you go. This is your final project. So, and you can organize this however you want. These plans just need to be there. You can make them whatever size you want as well. I probably should have made things a little smaller. These are a little too tight. One thing that I need to do is, in your presentation board, you don't need dimensions, so you can shut those off. And you can go to the actual file. And yeah, there we go. Home, and here we go. Freeze that layer. Well, let's change the layer, and then let's go over here, and now let's freeze this layer. There we go. And that's how you get rid of your dimensions on that. So I can go to presentation board. For whatever reason, they're still there. Regen. Let's see what happens. Nope. I may have gotten confused with different files. Anyway, so that is correct on how to freeze your layers. Don't get confused like I did. I got too many files going on. Anyway, so recap: site plan, floor plans, sections, elevations. And you can poach a picture off the internet for this. I just care that you know how to insert a picture. I could have cropped this more and then spread this out more, which I highly recommend you do. You know, maybe resize these a little bit. You know, maybe that's not the right size. Yeah, maybe I need to do a little smaller. Go down to 1/16. That's probably much better. And so, yeah, I would definitely do that. These need to go down to 1/16. There we go. And so here's what you don't want in a presentation board. You don't want crowding. You want blank spaces for your eyes to kind of rest. And again, so the purpose of this is client gets a great view of exactly what you designed for them. And they sign off on your design, give you the A-OK to move forward with, well, construction documents and get it ready to submit to the city. Go ahead and move these. Move this. There we go. And then I'm just going to do the same with these. Just move them. They don't need to be this crowded. Go, site plan, probably move it over here. Floor plans, move over a little bit. Move that over. Move this section over a little bit. And there you go. Go ahead and submit the PDF, and I will open up a final project for you to submit that to, and that's it. All right, thank you.